everyone, today we're going to be going over the Estee Lauder Bronze Goddess highlighter. For those of you who are in the makeup community, you will know that this is actually a fairly expensive highlighter. One, because it's by Estee Lauder, and two, because it is amazing. So if you haven't already guessed, I'm slightly prejudiced against this highlighter. Why? Because I've been using it for the last week. Anyways, let's get into what it looks like. Can we take a minute? Yes! Okay, so why is this so expensive? Did they put gold in it? They didn't? Are you sure? Because it's that shiny. So in the video, just to kind of give y'all some perspective, I'm going to be using this highlighter. Strong perfume, headaches. I love how it looks, but it has a perfume to it, and perfumes give me huge headaches. So, heads up for those of you that are sensitive to fragrances. Don't buy it. I will admit though, still a great highlighter. I love it. I just hate the perfume smell. All right, so our contender is e.l.f. Shimmer Highlighting. I'm sorry, I cannot take this seriously. I mean, it is a good highlighter, but can we just take a minute? Like, in comparison, it's just... Oh, and also the mirrors, of course, now it doesn't fall out. It's been, like, when I got that highlighter, the reason I got it is because this one... Well, that's not the reason I got it. It was a contributing factor, but the mirror in this had been falling out, and not because I was doing this. Is it still intact? How? Of course, whenever I'm on camera, this thing decides to cooperate. Maybe I should just record all my makeup in the mornings. Maybe then all my stuff will cooperate with me. Anyways, so that we can get a, well, equal distribution, quote, quote, of the highlighters, I'm going to be using the same brush. It is by Sephora, and it is the Airbrush Precision Brush Sephora. I don't know if they still sell this one anymore. I've had this since October of like 2016. Memories. And the spray I'm going to be using, that way I can get some more pigmentation on the brush, is going to be Savvy Minerals Misting Spray. Get a good look at that. I actually love this misting spray. I use it almost every morning because it really helps with making pigmentation of basically all my makeup. And I mean, all. And if you watched my previous video, if you want that, take me back to Brazil palette colors even more pigmented. Boom! Okay, so to start off, we are going to start off with our Sephora Airbrush, what was this again? Airbrush Precision Foundation Brush by Sephora, because that name is very long and I cannot memorize it. Okay, anyway, so the bottle says like 2-3 spritzes, so we're gonna do 2 sprays, and I'm aware that in science, this technically isn't exactly the same amount because it might miss out more 1 or 2 times on one brush than it does on the other, so it isn't exactly fair. Oh, disclaimer, I'm also not wearing makeup, so this might not go on the same as it does with foundation, but believe me, it goes on great, both of them. Okay, so spritz, spritz. I've been sprayed. Okay, so anyway, we are going to start with the Estee Lauder. Estee Lauder? I don't know. I mean, I know what makeup is, but that doesn't mean I know all the brands. Okay, so we're gonna do a little swirly. Also, another disclaimer, this thing's way too gold for my skin, but you know, we'll roll with it. Okay, so we're gonna like just do a nice... I can't even see if this is going on because this ring light in my face is literally blinding me. So yeah, you're just gonna have to like, oh wait, never mind, I can see that. Look at that. So reminder, I did like 3 swirls. So that's what it looks like with 3 swirls. I'm just gonna add a little bit like here, cause you know. All right, so that's Estee Lauder. Cover my dark circles. Okay, so I'm gonna like brush that off because I don't have a like brush cleaner currently. I'm probably destroying this brush right now, to be fair. But you know what? It works. Okay, so we're gonna do another spritz, spritz. I need to move this farther away from me. On to the e.l.f. Christmas. So there it is. It like, it looks so great on camera, but in person it looks so rough. Like, so rough. There's like little beads of pigment just kind of stuck in it. It doesn't spread evenly. And when they form, like I guess when they made the formula for it, there are certain things in there that do not dissolve into the formula because it just kind of looks kind of chunky. But, you know, swirl, 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 and apply. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. So personally, and I'm probably a bit biased here, I prefer the Estee Lauder, the Bronze Goddess, probably because the name, but I mean. And then here's e.l.f. I believe this one was $12, and then this one was $47. Dramatic difference. So if you're wanting a cheap highlighter, boom, go get this. Like, honestly, I love this highlighter, even though the mirror fell off, but you know. It's still a great highlighter. And I mean, compared to Estee Lauder, I really don't see too much of a difference. I mean, of course, Estee Lauder goes on a lot smoother because of the formulation of it, probably. But this is still a great highlighter, nonetheless. I mean, it's 12 bucks. This is $47. If this is not in your budget and you are not that crazy about makeup, go get this at your local, like, Ulta or something. Recommend it. Overall, this one's my favorite. Is it worth the money? Probably not. But I wear it mostly every day since I got it, which is, did I say a week? It's been like a week and a half, I think. When did I post last? Oh, I posted like a week ago. So, math. Okay, so anyway, that's just the video, y'all. Make sure to vote up there if you like long or short videos. I asked you guys in the last video, but not many people participated in the poll. But, you know, I'd really like to know if you like short, medium, or long videos, because then I know what to record, how long to record, and what kind of content to record. So if you want to leave your opinions down in the comment below, please do. It would mean so much to me, and I hope you all have a wonderful day, night, Hanukkah, Christmas, Easter, whenever you're watching this. Probably Halloween, honestly, but you know, who wears highlighter on Halloween? Well, I guess I would, but enough about me. Okay, bye guys.